Okay, this is a tutorial on how to make these little altered paper clips or covered paper clips. Real simple. First you print out on cardstock, then you cut out your whole sheet. Put my glasses on. Then I go ahead and score before I cut each individual one out. These are the score lines. It's marked on the instructions here. There's 4 score lines. You might not be able to see this one good, but it's just right above that little note line. So use your score tool. If you don't have a score tool, I don't want to cut it. Okay. You can try folding it by hand. It just makes it so much easier to score first. And okay. So now, once you've scored, cut out the individual strips, and this is how you fold them. This is what you call them out and fold, because you're going to fold that one up, and all the rest fold the other direction, like this. And so, okay, so that's what it's going to look like once you've folded it. Then you use the small paper clips, and you notice this side shorter than this side. I'm just going to put the long end of the paper clip on that side, kind of center it, and then we're going to start gluing. Okay, first off, I'm going to put glue over this whole section here and the part that glues up onto it, and glue it down firmly. Okay, then we're going to turn over and we're going to glue our little short side. Hold off before I put glue on that end, just so I don't make such a big mess. Yeah, I'm making a mess. Okay, so glue in here. Press down really good. Try not to get glue on your fingers. Then this little flap folds down over the top of that. Ended up getting glue everywhere. Okay. And you can just go back and make sure everything's glued. Press it each individual side. And so you'll notice what this did is it covered your paper clip is in there, and so you'll be able to use it as a bookmark. It just slips right on, and it'll keep its place. You can do it on the top, or you can do it on the side in your notebook, or just whatever book you want to use it on. But that's how simple they are to put together, and have fun doing it.